We are in Midtown Toronto, and we did a brand new build from start to finish for a lovely young couple who's growing their family in this home. This family really wanted something that was warm and upscale, but didn't feel fancy. They wanted to relax here. They spoke often about having friends over and enjoying their space with friends and family. And I would say the target word in this house was warmth, and I think we achieved that. When you first walk into the home, we have a gorgeous foyer that's made with tumbled marble, and we actually applied microcement to all the walls to give it that extra texture, as well as built in a shallow console with a sculptural light to make it more of an art piece rather than an entry. Similar to a lot of our other homes, when you come in the front door here, it leads right into your dining room. And that dining room really becomes the canvas and that first sight line that you see in this home. That's why we made it as special as we did. An oversized green light that was that pop of color, and a fantastic arched bar that allowed for that entertainment and wow factor in their dining space. You really get the mix of warmth but modern. We still introduced a glass staircase. However, all of our built-ins and all of the textures are still wood and warm and bring a lot of comfort to the home without feeling stark and modern. The powder room is extra special. It's definitely moody. It's dark green with a beautiful green marble and a curved vanity. And we just wanted it to be a special little pop in the house that's very white and calm to bring a little bit of funk. They're young, it's still fun and edgy. The kitchen took time and a lot of patience. There's a way to play it safe and there's a way to take a leap and be bold. And these clients definitely took that bold route. You'll see the gorgeous marble. It is state of the art. It brings the drama to this whole house. That marble shelf gives it a little bit of detail with a really nice hidden hood. We didn't want to take the route of doing a flat painted cabinet. We wanted to introduce wood. However, we didn't want it to feel too grainy. So we kept true to the vibe of the home and keeping it warm by shading the cabinets to get rid of a little bit of the grain, but it's still present and gives it that wood and natural feel. We play on arches a lot throughout this house, and we thought the arch into the pantry just allowed a little bit of softness, not having too many straight lines. We extended the millwork to allow for extra storage above the typical under the bookshelf look, and it brings you into such a cute space that's so well organized. The breakfast nook is super special as well. We didn't want to just keep with the one eat-in area at the front of the house, the formal dining room. So this allows them to have that separate space off of the island. We did an amazing microcement custom table with 2 pops of green custom chairs, and we wanted to stay true to the elements that our clients wanted to bring. You know, green wouldn't be my typical color that I'd go to for a kitchen chair, but I don't think anything would work better now that we see it in the space. The living room is all so neutral. We introduce drywall shelves behind the sofa. It's an area that grows with the family, and they'll add their own pieces to that back wall of their memories. The fireplace wall connects with the kitchen, and that was the point of this. We didn't want to create 2 separate spaces. We wanted everything to be cohesive. So although it is separated with a really nice oversized sectional and a great cozy chair, the millwork continues on into oversized cupboards that are used for the kitchen, but are also used for the family room. And it really allows both rooms to be connected as one without feeling those harsh lines. And so we kept with the natural woods, we did custom handles on all the cabinetry, and we kept to those soft, warm tones. The principal bedroom became the client's oasis. We made a custom 2-tone headboard wall. We did a gorgeous mohair that floods the whole back of the space. Again, our key word when we were making this house was warm and fuzzy and comfortable and homey. We also made custom nightstands with a built-in makeup vanity, and that was just to allow for extra storage, multi-use of the space, but it looks all cohesive and as one. The bathroom is so gorgeous. We all knew we wanted an arch there from the beginning. It is done in a gorgeous limestone. The counter's in natural stone, and the vanity is in, again, a beautiful wood finish with some gorgeous curves to match our arch. This is one of our favorite homes. We come back here and we honestly want to sit on their couch with them. We want to enjoy coffee with them. We put so much time and effort into getting to know our clients, becoming friends with our clients, and then wanting to enjoy the space with them. So whether it's with them or watching them enjoy the space, it's so nice to come back and just see this finished home that's just turned into such a nice space that their family can grow in.